welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the Bosch kitchen. I'm joined by Alicia. She's with Mix, and we are going to show you how to make some buckwheat maple syrup vegan crackers.
This is a mouthful. No big deal.
Oh my gosh.
Vegan maple crackers with our grains of roses blend, which is our buckwheat.
Okay, how do we start?
So we start by taking our grains of roses,
okay,
the flour, and then we're going to add in our salt and sugar. So nice. Super simple, not a lot you got to do. Give it a good stir. And then we're just going to cut in the shortening.
Okay. So we're going to cut this in until we're in small crumbles. So we've got this to a nice, it's moist and it's got little pellets, and we just want to get it into a ball so we can work it on the sill mat.
This is where you just roll it out as thin or thick as you want it. So you're just going to want to roll it, like I said, as thin as you want. This might be too much. Just kidding.
So you're going to roll this out to about 1/4 to 1/8 inch thick?
Yeah.
Okay.
So about 1/8.
Ta-da!
Look at that, isn't that beautiful? All right, so I don't know if there's really a trick to this. You can use a knife, you can use a sharp knife, you can use a pizza cutter. So we're just gonna score it. Also, if you're using a sill pat, don't cut too much because you don't want to cut your sill pat. No big deal. Okay, easy peasy. So now you just put it on your baking mat, and then you're just gonna bake it for 10 minutes until the edges are just a little toasty brown.
Awesome. Okay, they're finished. Perfectly cooked in our Bosch oven. Ooh, crispy. Those look great. We are gonna break those up and let somebody try them. Would you like to try some homemade crackers we made?
All right.
Let us know what you think.
All right. Crunchy.
Woohoo! Another success.
Woo!
You can see too that she's prepared some cookies with cookie press, crackers, and also you did some like wafers.
Yeah.
So you can really do anything you want. You can find the recipe for this at cookingatriegelmanns.com. You can find the flour to make these at mixmix.com. Thank you for joining us at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham in the Bosch kitchen. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.